I want to create content. I don't have ring lights, I don't have red lights, I don't have rest. You don't need that ring lights, you don't need the red lights to make your videos come out perfectly well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to color grade your videos. Yeah, in case you don't have ring lights, in case you don't have all those big lights, you don't have LED lights, yeah, your video can still come out well, your video can still look good. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to transform this video from this to this. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to transform your video to be like this. Okay, so this was how the video was before, and this is the now. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in your video. So you don't need all those big lights. Yeah, all you need is common sense. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. For in this channel, I teach you more and more about editing. So let's get straight into editing and let's learn color grading today.
So guys, you don't need much for this. Like, color grading is very easy. It depends on you and what works for you. So all you need to do is to go to adjust, you click on adjust, and then we'll start from there. So I will always say, right, your skin color is different from mine, your background is different from mine. What works for you might not, what works for me might not work for you, right? Because we are not the same, we have different skin colors, different backgrounds and all that. So but I'm only going to teach you how to like color grade your videos, like the things to use, the things to like, put together to make your video come out well. And then it's now left for you to like choose what works for you, implement that in your video, and make your video come out very, very well. So firstly, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to increase the brightness first of all. So for this brightness, you could increase or decrease, it depends on you. So but for me, I'm going to increase it to like 24. Okay, I'm going to increase it to like 24. So I think I like it like this, right? And then the next thing is saturation. So I'm going to go to this saturation. You could increase or decrease the saturation, right? So for this saturation, I'm going to increase it to like 21. So I like it just like this. Like, that's why I said you choose what works for you, choose what works for your skin color. So for this saturation, I'm going to leave it at this 21. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is going to be highlights. So I'm going to be adding highlights. So the highlights makes your video brighter, like it makes it, okay, let me show you. If you decrease it, this is what it looks like, right? And if you increase it, so you just increase and decrease, and then check the one that will go better. So for this highlight, I'm going to increase to like 38. Yeah, I think this 38 is okay, right? And then for the contrast, the next thing I'm going to be adding is contrast. For this contrast, you can make like this contrast makes the video darker, or even so, you see, do you see? So but for this contrast, I don't like it too much. I like it realistic. So for this contrast, let me reduce it to like 6. So I think this 6 is okay, right? So the next thing I'm going to be going to is HSL. So in this HSL, there are different colors, but I'm going to start with working with blue color. So I'm going to work with blue color in this HSL. So for my background, so I'm going to be working with this blue color, so you could choose whichever color, but for me it's going to be, so if you want blue, more of blue, you increase the saturation, but I want less of this blue, so I'm going to reduce it to like minus, let's reduce it to this point, -9, right? And then for the lightness, I'm going to, let's see, increase, decrease. So for the lightness, I'm going to increase it to like, let's see, okay, I think this is okay. 54 is okay. So for that, I'm done. And then for this hue, HUE, let's see, increase or decrease, decrease or increase. So for this one, I'm going to increase it to like, let's see, I think this 49 is okay for this. And then the next color I'm going to be working with is red. So for this red, I'm going to, let's see, increase or decrease the saturation. Let's see, increase, decrease. So I'm going to be working with this red saturation. I could either increase or decrease. It depends on your choice, right? So for this saturation, let me increase it and see what it will look like. So let's increase it. Let's leave it at this 70, right? So that's just what works for me. So you choose what works for you and implement it in your own video. And then for the lightness, let's see, increase or let's say decrease or increase. So I think I would like to increase the lightness of this video. So let's increase it. Let's see, increase. So I think it's okay at this point. Yeah, 51 is okay. And then for this hue, let's see, decrease. So this is what it looks like when you decrease it, right? And let's see, increase. So for this, I think I'll increase it. Yeah, I'll increase it. So I think this is better for this, right? So I think I'm done here. So let's see what the video now looks like. So just watch.
I want to create content. I don't have ring lights. I don't have red lights.
So do you see how bright it now looks? So let's compare. So to compare this, let me split this here. And do you see it applies to all the video, every single part of the video. Do you see how bright it looks? Like without green light, without red light, you can still make your video come out well. So let me split this here and let me show you. Let's compare with the other part of the video. So do you see?
I don't have red lights. I don't have
You see, it feels like there's light here, and then it feels like
lights.
NEPA just took the light here. So do you see? You see the difference? This is dark. This is lighter. Do you see? So this is just how to color grade your videos. So do you see how beautiful this now looks? So this is just how to color grade your videos. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this in your next post. So you see, you don't really need much light. All you need is a sense of editing. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next post. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, and give me a thumbs up.